Hello friends, welcome to Days in Life. Friends, in last 9 months of the COVID, either we are going through some lockdown or unlockdown, but in this whole period, most of the pharma companies has suffered some or other loss in the business. So it is obvious for them to desperately wait for the post-COVID time. What will post-COVID time has in store for us? And one question which keep coming in the mind, will it be business as usual in the post-COVID? Will it be something like February 20 or it will be something else? So today in this short video we'll trying to answer this question, as something will change and something will not change. So first I'll talk about something will go back to as good as February 20. So one is our operational meetings, or you can say our traveling, or you can say our review meetings. So those we were missing for quite some time. I believe in next few months that will be almost as usual. A second thing will be go back very strongly will be our personal selling. Although personal selling already has started, but with every month passing, this will gain the momentum, because the last few months we have been missing the kind of personal selling as a pharma industry we used to do. So that's again going to go back. When it comes to promotional mix, it will be mixed kind of things. Certain things, certain activity will go back and some activity will not go back. So it is not something that totally will become something like February 20, and it will not like at that will nothing will change or nothing will go back to February 20. So promotional mix, there will be something mediocrity will be there. Some activities will go back and some new things may not go back, but most of things will go back. Now something I'll talk about which is not going to go back, something has become kind of permanent feature. One thing is there, this video calls. So video calls has come because of COVID, but they're not going to go back. Their number may fall down, but we have to live with the video call in the coming time, whether Zoom or whether it's a Microsoft Team, whatever we different or Google Meet we are using. So video call is going to remain. They may replace some extent some meetings, and they may replace some extent to the phone calls. Another thing which may not go back is the reduced number of staff. Many company has reduced number of people working for them in last 7-8 months, and they are unlikely to increase it back. Company will try to operate with the less number of people, which will give them an advantage of the cost effectiveness. Now another major change which is going to happen is the calls, or you can say what we are making to doctors. Number of call is going to be comparatively less when we compare with the February 20. They will be more short, that is duration, more brief and more precise. So no more time killing approach or that kind of thought process that you spend more time with the doctor, you'd like to get a more business. So that is something will not go back in February 20, and we need to accept the new thing. The new entry will be there, that is a digital marketing or social marketing, which has already happened. Different companies are doing different activities, but this is something going to exist as a support activity. Another new thing which is going to come, which were not existing much earlier, is the retail strategy. Company used to take retailers for the granted. Now companies has to have some kind of retail strategy. We can't take them for granted. So another change I'll see, all progressive thought people, whether it's a promoter, whether it's doctors, whether it's professional, their thought process will change. When I'm saying thought, progressive people will look forward to future. So the way things were happening in February 2020, or the way doctor used to think about meeting till February 20, many of them will change. The way promoter used to look at the business till February 20, they will think about changes. The way some senior professionals look at the business, their thought process has to change. So basically, a lot of changes has to come in the thought process from February 20, you can say, to the end of 2020. Another interesting thing which will be a little painful is that impatience in the business will grow. As companies or promoters, they will try to look at their growth over 1920 or their growth over 1819. They would like to cover up this loss, and this is going to put more pressure on the marketing people or sales people, and which may lead to the attrition also. But overall, pressure in the market will increase, impatience will increase. So that's something we need to look for. So at the end, I will say the people who are waiting for the good olden days of the till February 20 will be disappointed. What has gone is gone. Exact things never come back. They will come in some change format. So there will be new business strategies, new business models, lot of reshuffling in the company which already start happening, and who will grow and who will not grow, because there is a different set will emerge. Some company will emerge more stronger from this pandemic, and some companies will fall down in this pandemic. Some company will emerge as a more of a loser. So different trajectory you will see, you can say, by 2021. And when you look at, say, data of 2021 and 2019, you will see different companies. Some are in good growth trajectories and some are going down. And 2020 will be that decider in between. How different company has behaved or acted in 2020 will make them separate what was situation 19 and what was situation in 2020. So let us watch out for this post-COVID era, and I wish you all the best.